Hey traders, I hope everyone's having a fantastic Monday so far. And I do apologize for not putting out a video yesterday. I didn't get a chance. If you do like to see what I am up to, please feel free to follow me on Instagram, scottystrading, all lowercase, just as it is on YouTube. Okay, guys, and that's where my stories, I'll keep, things updated, but nothing really changed from Saturday. So we'll get the Aussie dollar up here just to start, just to see how it is going. And I'm actually on holidays as well for a few days down south in our regional Western Australia. And here is the Aussie dollar. So it got to a low last week of 75.35, chasing the take profit 74 cents. I will move the stop loss a little bit if it can get below 75 cents as well. But here's where we're at with that. So there's nothing much really to report, and it's looking, not too bad. I'd like it to hold this range during the New York session, and then if we can see it collapse a little bit from tomorrow, that would be really good. So what I also want to talk about is there are a couple other setups. We've got the pound Aussie dollar, and this one here is looking not too not too shabby at all. We will potentially have an entry at 1.75624. I'll be holding off till tomorrow ideally. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback tonight, and then it just sort of maintain this current level and then take off on the Tuesday. I've just noticed with my back testing and things that the characteristics of the market is that the Monday represents the opposite of what will happen throughout the week ahead. So the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and potentially Friday as well. I notice things are a little more erratic on the Friday as well, depending if it's the end of the month or if there's news out as well. So that's something you want to consider. A lot of the big news events come out on the Friday, NFP, especially related to American data. Okay, so that's a potential watch there. We've got the pound Aussie, also the euro Turkish lira as a potential buy trade. So the 4-hour isn't too bad at all. I'll be watching this. I'm just going to show you the indicators I put in as well. So we'll go to 55. Doesn't really matter what color. You obviously want it a little bit different. The 55 to the 200. Okay. 55 to the 200. Hoping the upload is going to be relatively uneventful, and then it's going to go smoothly getting this up onto YouTube. The internet's not running too terrible. I'm doing this a bit later because the internet was really laggy before. I think everyone was obviously on the Wi-Fi, but now they're sort of not. It's Monday night. So okay, so this is an interesting one. I'll wait, till tomorrow's session, but around these highs here, the high is 4.6003. So if we can get over 4.6 again, 4.6, that's a potential trade on that. Pound Aussie, we've just discussed. Guys, I'm going to wrap things up there. Actually, let's see what getting messages. Let's see what the spread is there. Okay, so it's 20 pips. That's a bit concerning. That's something you got to pay attention to, guys. So there's a bit of a spread on that, so it's not as liquid as the majors. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap things up. That's how the Aussie dollar's going. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more uploads.